What is Ukrainian alphabet like? Let's have a look. There are letters that look and sound the same as they do in the English or the Latin alphabet. These letters are the green letters here. A, E, I, K, M, O, S, T. Let's try to read the words with these letters. Mama, kit, mist, tomat. There are letters that are our false friends. They are the pink or the red letters here. They look similar to the ones in the Latin alphabet, but they sound differently. These are V, U, I. When you pronounce U and then spread your lips to pronounce I, you have this sound in the middle. Ui, ui. In the middle you have this ui, ui. Then n, letter 18 is n, r, r, u, and h. You exhale using your voice. H. Let's try to read the words with these letters. Nota, торт, карта, ресторан, ракета, метро, рух. And now the blue letters. These letters are typically Ukrainian. They do not exist in the Latin alphabet. They are B, H, and G. These two letters differ with this small tail. Letter 5 sounds like English G, and it's really rarely used. And letter 4, H, sounds similar to H, letter 26. But when you pronounce letter 26, H, you just exhale. And when you pronounce H, letter 4, H, you use more voice. Then letter 6, D, Е, Ж, Z, Y, and E together, Y. And letter 14, Y, just Y. It's a consonant. It's the sound like in the word yes or yogurt, Y. Then L, P, F, Ts. This letter Ts, 27, letter 27 makes two sounds, T and S together, Ts. Then Ch. Then 29, Sh, and Sh, with this tail, letter Sh, but with the tail makes two sounds, Sh, and Ch together, like in the combination fresh cheese, Sh. Then the soft sign, it doesn't make any sound, more on this later. And you, and ya. Let's try to read the words with these letters. Стадіон, екзамен, радіо, футболіст, лимон, вино, вода, гітара, суп, парк, банан, фільм, чек, Нью-Йорк, Європа, університет, супермаркет, кафе, банк, школа, театр, кіно, журнал, Париж, актор, тюльпан, цирк, Київ, Україна, долар. dollar. It should be noted that this word stress, that is this small comma above the letter, is just for learning purposes here. Normally, Ukrainian text doesn't have the word stress. It's only in the books for kids. And the word stress is relatively free, so you just have to memorize how the word is stressed. And finally, some information about the vowels. Here the yellow letters are the vowels. They are a, ye, y, yi, o, u, u, and ya. The letters ya, yu, ye, and yi make two sounds when they are at the beginning of the word, after an apostrophe, after the soft sign, and after another vowel. For example, Yalta, Yalta, computer, computer, atelier, atelier, Francia, Francia. And they have one sound, they make one sound in other positions in the word. But these letters make the previous consonant soft. What does it mean that a consonant is soft? It means that this consonant has a very short E sound after it. Let's see. Glans, glans. In this word, l is soft. It has very short E sound after it. Glans, glans. You actually say gl and then a, glans. So letter ya here has one sound a, just a. Glans, glans. Then the next one, menu, menu, menu. Here you say n is soft. Let's compare it to n in the word Francia, Francia. In this word, n is hard. You say n, and here menu, n, yeah. And the word Belgorod, Belgorod. So ye affects b and makes it soft. Belgorod. What else makes a consonant soft besides ya, you, and ya? It's also E and the soft sign. So the soft sign makes the previous consonant soft. It doesn't have any sound itself, but it makes the previous consonant soft. Like in the word день, день. Here n is soft, день. And E, pianino, pianino. So the first n in this word is soft, n, and the second one is hard, n. Nino, pianino, pianino.